In this video, I will show you how to insert column in Microsoft Excel. So like we have some data here. If we need a particular column between B and C, so like B and here C, D and E. So we need one column here, select it, right click on it, then insert. So we have a column before B, C, right click and insert. So we have now before B and C. Another way, select it and in the home tab, here is the option insert sheet column. Like this, you can insert column, and if you need the multiple columns, select it. How much you need, like you need the three new column, select it, then right click on any row, any column, then insert. So this way we have now new three columns. Thanks for watching.